Oh my God, that's a nice bass. Boom. Ate the mouse again. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel with me, Ty Fishing. Today we are headed up to the mountains, the Adirondack Mountains. We're going to be doing some popper fly fishing on the lake, maybe throw a little bit of mice on the lake, and hopefully slam some bass. The last two videos we were fly fishing on the lake. We were using big streamers, and the bass just came off of the beds and they were hungry as hell, and we basically slammed them. Caught a lot of them, a lot of small ones, a lot of big ones, and just a mixed bag of just everything, to be honest. We caught some pike, some smallmouth, and largemouth, which were cool. And now we're going to go out there with the popper fly and hopefully get them. It'll be awesome to see if they want the frog or the mice more, and just hopefully just slam them and get them in the boat. Ladies and gents, we switched up from the streamer and now we're doing big boy shit. We got the popper fly. I can see how it actually works. I don't know. It should work just fine. Got him. That's a decent bass. Yeah, he ain't too decent, but he hit it. Look at this boy. Are we only gonna catch babies out here now? See you, buddy. He's got freaking crushed over there. There's something that keeps on coming out. Got him. Oh my God, what the hell is this thing? Oh, I think it's a little pike. He got me wrapped up in the bushes. Oh, I still see him. It's a baby pike. Unfortunately, we're hitting bottom. There we go, we got him. Look at this guy. Look at this little pike. Oh my God. Stop it. Look at this little guy. That's awesome. Boom, just like that. Pops off. See you, little buddy. There we go. That's a nice pass. Yep. On the poppers. Awesome. Ooh. There we go. Look at that little guy. Little chunker. See you, buddy. Oh my God, that's a nice bass. Boom. Ate the mouse again. Holy shit. Some of them love it, some of them don't. Come here, buddy. Look at that mouse. See you, buddy. Oh my God, I just missed that fish right there. Ready? See if he comes back for it. Got him. That's a nice largemouth. Oh, yeah, buddy. We're freaking crushing the largies. Yep. Oh, stop it. Crushing the largies. Oh my God, what the hell is that? That's a big bass. Oh my freaking Lord. Oh my God, he smoked it. He absolutely smoked it. He's not even that big. He's not even big at all. He just smoked it like a freaking freight train. Come here, Bubba. Come here, Bubba. He's actually a pretty good one. Look at that fish. You like the mouse, huh? Too bad he got caught. Got him. That's another nice largemouth. Topwater fish for largemouth is so freaking fun, man. You can't even lie. They just freaking come over here and just absolutely destroy it. See ya, buddy. Got him. What the freak is this thing? Oh, a little bass. Got him. He felt so heavy when I lifted him up. Woo. Yeah, buddy. Little bass. Smoking the mouse. See you, little guy. There we go. That's a bass. Coming straight towards us. Little largemouth. Oh shit, sorry buddy. Little baby largemouth. There he is. Oh, just like that, comes undone. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. It was cool just getting some on the popper fly and on the mouse. Unfortunately, a lot of the bigger ones I couldn't film. I just wasn't filming at all and I missed them. But so that kind of sucks. But we did get a lot of fish. We even got one little tiny pike, which is cool to see that there's little ones, I guess. I've never caught a little one that small up there. So that was kind of cool. There was no fight, but it was just cool to see. But again, hope you guys like this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. It would help me out a lot. Thank you guys for watching with me, Ty Fishing.